How to add payment method in Wix quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'm going to show you how to add a payment method to your Wix website or store. So let's get into it. First of all, what you're going to do is you're going to open up your Wix.com, get to your account, select the website you want to add the payment method to. So I'm going to select this one. It will take you to your website dashboard. This is our dashboard right here, and we have an online store. How to add a payment method? For that, you will have to navigate to this panel right here and scroll down. When you scroll down, you have to click on Finances, and in Finances, we have Payments. It will take you to Wix Payments. You can see keep track of payments from your customers. Now you're going to click on Manage Payment Methods. And here we can add any kind of payment method to our Wix website. With Wix, there are different payment methods available, and it also depends on your location. You can see we can connect Stripe to a Wix for our card payments, and we will be able to use a lot of different options. We can even connect our PayPal and some manual payment methods such as cash on delivery and bank transfers. There are more options available as well, so you can explore all the options that are given. Let's say I want to connect my Stripe. So all you need to do is just click on the connect button right here. Now you're required to connect your Stripe account. Make sure that you have an account on that platform first, if it's PayPal, Stripe, or any other third-party tool. Click on connect. Now I'm going to log into my Stripe account through Wix. Once I enter my details, it will take me to my Stripe and my payment method will be connected. This is how you add payments to Wix. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.